Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going through a video that I filmed January 2021. And so this is me upgrading the exhaust on the Soarer even more. Basically, so I took it up to Torres Automotive. Huge shout out to him. He hooked me up. And he put an exhaust from my Apex integration 3-inch mid pipe all the way back to the end of the car. And let's get into it and show you what it looks like. There's some sound clips in there and everything like that, but then I mostly just put it as like some background music since there was loud shop noises, there was music going on in there and everything like that. So I couldn't really use the sound in that footage. So I'm just gonna step you guys through the process of what he was doing while he was doing it, and we're gonna go from there. And luckily there is some revs in this one, so you guys can hear some of the exhaust. Last video I didn't have any of the cams, but you can hear a little bit of it from this video, hear what the car sounds like with the cams, and then we go for a drive with the iPhone at the end. Alright, so let me know what you guys think of it, but let's get down to it. Alright, so we're starting out with a view underneath the car of the Blitz catback exhaust. I couldn't even find it on Google, but it's definitely discontinued, but he's popping off the hangers for it. And then of course the 3-inch mid pipe. One does not do an exhaust upgrade without seeing what it sounds like straight piped. So here it is. We're letting it warm up. Ooh, turbo noises. Sounds fucking mean. Here we're testing out a couple of the resonators. This is the Vibrant Performance one.
I'm a lot quieter.
And we tested a few more, but none of them sounded as good. Here's some Welding. Yeah, he MIG'd it instead of TIG'd it, but most people aren't going to be crawling underneath the car to see it anyways, so as long as it functions, I'm cool with it. Always been a function over form. Just enjoy some slow-mo welding. Checking the fit, make sure it works. And then testing her out. Little walk under from my iPhone clip. I didn't do it with my actual camera.
This one then right.
Okay. That wasn't me, was it?
Most likely. Just go on that other lane, that first lane.
Okay.
Because over here there's a little. Nice.
Making some good noises.
Hell yeah.
A little first and second.
The rumble sounds perfect, bro.
Oh yeah. Squirrely in seconds. I had lit off for a second. Whoop. That's a new spray.
You got a big guy in the car with you all the time, bro.
Gotta stiffen up the the coilovers in the rear, maybe.
Oh yeah.
She does the work.
Oh yeah. Is the ride rail appreciated?
Yep. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Huge shout out to Torres Automotive for hooking me up and giving me a great deal on this custom exhaust work. If you need him, he works up in Riverside, so if you're in the SoCal area, hit him up, and then he'll get you taken care of. So until the next video guys, peace.